Ladies, gentlemen, welcome back to Concept Soup. Going through a nice build today with the 10700KF to start us off. Giving it a little dance, giving it a little shimmity shim. And what are we going to be using to cool this? Well, today it is the Pure Loop 240mm AIO, which I haven't used before. Looking forward to trying it out, see how we get on with that. Next up, motherboard, of course, that's going to be the MSI Z490A Pro. Solid board for it. Really, you could even put an i9 in that, it'd probably be fine. Pretty solid board, PCIe Gen 4 forward compatible, pretty nice. Of course, for our storage, old reliable 1TB NVMe SSD from Western Digital. Of course, we need some RAM. We've got 32 gigs DDR4, 3200 speed, Patriot Viper, cheapest stuff I could find with decent speed. And a beautiful Gigabyte Vision RTX 3080. Oh, what a lovely card this is. Just looks so sleek, professional, just looks very clean. Cooler Master MW Gold 850. Pretty nice power supply. But I'll let you know, a secret actually breaks in this build. And we've got a U-bit Wi-Fi adapter as well. So let's get on with the build in a minute, but yeah, that's the benefit of doing the voiceover after I've actually recorded the video, is that gold power supply actually did pop and stop working. I was kind of nervous that it had broken anything inside, but replaced it with a Corsair later on, actually not in this video, and then it was fine. So yeah, there you go. Let's get on with the build, and we'll chat again at the end. So yeah, there she is, and what a beauty she is. I just love that graphics card, it looks so sweet. So yeah, pump head is pretty sweet. I really actually quite like the look of it. It's just minimalist, but it's still got a little bit of light on it. I like that the light is controlled with a fan header. That is awesome. I really think that was a good idea, rather than having, you know, to plug in another SATA lead or something. Yeah, pretty nice. The only thing I didn't really like about the cooler was that this doubly decoupled pump thing that they got going on, it can look a little bit unsightly. It's quite bulky up there, but I don't mind. I think it looks pretty sweet. And the performance was actually pretty damn nice as well. Can't really complain at all. It's as good as any other 240mm AIO, really. They're all pretty much the same for gaming, aren't they? So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you again in another one.